Hi everybody, I am Dr. Ashwin Tumkur, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Today we will be addressing few issues regarding COVID infection and heart diseases. As everybody knows, COVID infection is due to novel coronavirus infection, and most common system or organ affected is lung. However, 40 to 50% of COVID infected patients can also have heart problems. There are few things by way which heart is affected. The most important thing is the patient may have acute myocarditis. That is, the inflammatory process during this viral infection can cause reduced pumping of the myocardium, that is muscle of the heart. So acute myocarditis is the commonest presentation, and the patient will have symptoms of heart failure during this time. The symptoms of heart failure can be shortness of breath and swelling over the body, mostly legs, and the patient may present further complications. Second thing is the patient may have ischemic heart disease, that is they may have developed blockages in the coronary arteries and they may present with a heart attack condition. Third thing is they may have rhythm abnormalities of heartbeat, that is called arrhythmias. So few of these conditions the patient can be affected with coronavirus infection. Yes, they need to worry, but my advice is they need not get panic. With whatever experience and patients we are seeing till now, it is seen that the patients who have heart problems such as hypertension, heart attack, the patient who have already undergone stenting, angioplasty and bypass operation, patients who are already known case of heart failure, if they get infection with this coronavirus, the possibility of symptoms or severity of disease is very high. They may go into complications, and the death rate in such patients are also more. Having said that, the chance of getting infection in the patients who are already heart disease is same as any other general person in the population. As I already told you, heart patients they have high chance of getting corona infection, and they may go into complications. So this is very at most important to take precaution to prevent themselves from getting exposed to coronavirus from the society. So you need to strictly follow the rules of safety precautions which the government has laid down. At most important is to stay in the house, avoid going out unless it is a very emergency. Use mask always. Make a habit of washing hands frequently with soap water, at least 20 seconds each time. If you are going out, use sanitizer frequently. Avoid contact with the person who is already known symptoms and known contact with coronavirus disease. For heart patients, most important thing is they should continue their regular medicines as advised by the physician and cardiologist, and other important thing is to maintain hydration in the body and take proper food to maintain their immunity. Not only heart patients, any person in this period of pandemic need to maintain their immunity, and for this we advise a lot of fluids to maintain the hydration of the body. I advise them to take a lot of seasonal fruits, green vegetables, fruits and vegetables containing citrus like lemon and orange. Include garlic and ginger in their diet. And for patients who are hypertensive, avoid salt, so take salt restricted diet. Patients with high cholesterol levels should take meat in less quantity, and fish is good for cholesterol patients. So basic thing is to maintain good immunity with well nourished diet. We should not ignore patients with heart attack, even it is a lockdown period during this pandemic time. So any patients coming with severe heart attack has to be managed as an emergency, because time is important here, and so the patients are evaluated properly, and if you suspect a heart attack, we do take care of this patient as an emergency. If required, we do immediate angiogram, find out the blockages in the coronary arteries and treat him accordingly by way of angioplasty and putting stent. Important thing is to take care of patient and as well as our staff. We as cardiologists and people who are involved into doing the procedures of such patient, we take utmost important care to protect ourselves. We use personal protective equipments which are provided by our hospital, and during the procedure also we take care that we are not exposed to asymptomatic patients in during the time of intervention. So we use cover our body from head to toe. We use gloves, we use mask, we use face shield, cover our head, whole gown and including shoe cover, and take utmost care. Other important thing is we clean the area where we do these procedures, fumigate our cath lab before and after the procedure is done. That is most important. Yeah, we in Yashoda Hospital Malakpet have a triage facility at our emergency department. So any patient who walks in with complaints, he is assessed in detail to rule out corona infection, and if there is suspicion, we send him to isolated area, ward or ICU depending on his condition, and send the samples and follow up the report. Another thing is to screen this type of patients. We do CT scan of lung, wherein before we send the patient to government facility for further management, we can rule out coronavirus infection by way of finding changes in the lungs in the CT scan. That is one thing we need to do for all the patients before deciding further management. And if the patient is stays far away, our follow-up patients, we have facility of video counseling. They can take appointment with Yashoda Hospital for consultation online, video and audio. We can advise them even if they are not able to come to the hospital. Heart failure patient is a commonest presentation because they present with shortness of breath and fatigue and swelling of the body. Problem can be confused. The patient can come first time with the symptoms of heart failure. So there are two situations here. The patient can present first time with symptoms of heart failure in a patient with corona infection. So we need to keep high index of suspicion. Any patient who we suspect heart failure, we need to rule out corona infection also. And as I said you, they can present with myocarditis or ischemic heart disease or arrhythmias. We need to evaluate and manage them further. Other group of patient is who are already known case of heart failure. They are already on medicines. So we need to such patients, the heart failure can get aggravated in this situation. So we need to treat them aggressively with medications, admit them if required and stabilize them and control their heart failure. Such patients we advise salt restricted diet, fluid restriction and bed rest and avoid undue exertion. Hypertension is a common problem in India, and during this pandemic, patients who are already on antihypertensive medicines, we advise them not to change or stop medicines without advice of a physician or cardiologist. During the initial period of virus infection, there was a lot of apprehension and confusion and lot of discussion over a few antihypertensive medications. They were advising to hold or avoid such medicines. But later, our various societies and group of cardiologists all over the world, they said we can continue these medicines, and stopping these medicines can be more harm than continuing. So now we advise them, don't stop any medicines, and if they are out of stock, usually patient come with problem that medicines are over and we cannot go outside. So I advise them to please stop the medicines in advance. Any patient who are on cardiac medicines already need to continue the medicines. That is very important. They can, any symptoms or any problem, they can contact the cardiologist over phone and sort out the problem. My message to you all, patients who are already known patients of heart disease, please take care of yourself, take medicines, don't stop or change any medicines, take proper diet, hydrate yourselves, and please follow strictly the guidelines for safety precautions which are laid down, and take care of yourself.